Welcome back everybody. आज हमारा मेहमान बहुत famous और popular TV actress है, and she's best known for characters such as Sajal in Mendi, and she is known as the Queen of Soaps. And well, this is what I've been told. The Queen of Soaps.
The Queen of Soaps? Are you
yes,
serious?
The Queen of Soaps. You disagree?
I haven't done any soaps actually. Oh. Yeah, I've only done one. Yeah.
Actually,
only done one.
Well, the Queen of Dramas.
Queen of Dramas.
Oh, thank you. That's sweet.
But welcome, Aisha Khan.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
अच्छा, आयशा, माने ना ये दिल और खामोशियाँ. Great hits.
Yeah.
Negative roles.
None of them were negative.
मगर एक negative उसमें वो था.
हाँ.
ये क्यों?
Actually, माने ना ये दिल में I have to keep telling people, मैं बार-बार उनको बताने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि रोशनी जिस background से आई थी, that must, you know, that has a negative connotation to it, like, you know, being a prostitute or playing a prostitute. But whatever happens onwards, story में जो भी होता है, she's actually the victim. I don't know why nobody realized. उसे किसी से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार होता है, फिर वो हो नहीं सकता because उस लड़के की माँ has an issue obviously with her being in whatever profession she was. और फिर उसके बाद जो है वो 10 साल बाद वो मिलते हैं, तो she tells the guy कि मैं अब खुशी से शादीशुदा हूँ, please back off, please back off. वो नहीं सुनता, वो नहीं सुनता, वो नहीं सुनता. And then, you know, he starts reminding her of everything that's happened, like the relationship they had earlier and सारा कुछ. तो उसमें उस बेचारी का क्या कसूर है? She denied, you know, him for the longest time. She said, नहीं, I'm not interested, I'm happily married. But वो पीछे पड़ा रहता है persistently. तो finally she gives in, she's human. And आखिर में she makes the choice which I think ethically भी सही थी, morally भी सही थी. तो फिर how is she negative? She does leave him and does go back to her husband.
But जब अब ऐसे जब कोई role उठाती है which is a difficult role क्योंकि socially उसे एक acceptable इतना नहीं समझा जाता है. क्या आप पे कोई pressure पड़ता है? क्या लोग आपको आके कहते हैं कि आप इस किस्म के role के थे, आपको शर्म नहीं आती?
Actually खामोशियाँ में मुझे लोगों ने कहा because माने ना ये दिल was the first इस तरह का character. And somehow or the other, I think the relationship that I shared with the other man, हमारी chemistry इतनी अच्छी थी कि लोगों को हमारे साथ sympathies हो गई थी rather than the husband, you know.
अच्छा.
लेकिन उनके साथ भी हुई, Faisal Rahman was playing that character. लेकिन I think they kind of understood, you know, where we were coming from. लेकिन खामोशियाँ में I think they took me negatively. They didn't understand that this was a very young girl with an older man, and she loved him and she wanted him at any cost, and she was young and immature, so it's like, you know, this thing that you want, बहुत बुरी तरह आपको चाहिए होती है, तो आप हर extent तक चले जाते हैं उसे पाने के लिए. लेकिन उसके बाद मुझे लोगों ने कहा कि, you know, it doesn't go with your face, why are you always the home wrecker, the, you know, man snatcher, and yeah, and
why do you think that is? I mean, why do you think casting agents or directors?
I don't know. I think generally the other girl in somebody's life is kind of portrayed as the younger one, or the one who's maybe can speak English or something like that. I don't know why it's always me, or maybe because it's something that I have portrayed before, so they think, oh, okay, fine, you know.
But are you worried about being typecast?
Not really, because I pick and choose my scripts really, you know, like wisely, I would think, because uske baad se I made sure that I didn't do anything exactly like that, and we were shooting for a couple of plays which, well, you know, it's completely different. Ek mein I'm playing like a Masi, Ghar Ki Masi, and then the other one I'm playing a Maulana's wife and things like that. So it's about picking and choosing your scripts. You don't have to do everything in anything that comes your way.
और आप बहुत pick and choose करके ही करती हैं.
बहुत ज़्यादा. I have to read my script. I have to know my character. And as far as Khamoshi and Maane Na Ye Dil is concerned, actually it was this team that we had formed and we had been working together for a while. So I was completely trusting them. So I was like, you know, whatever you put my way, I'll do it. And I used to read the script, and lekin, yeah, you're right, I guess, and the fans are right as well. When they, you know, they have an opinion, they should come up to me and they should tell me what it is. And so therefore, no more negative roles for me for a while.
But you're also बहुत ज़बरदस्त at Rona Dona.
Rona Dona.
क्यों?
ये तो सब लोग कहते हैं, but I don't. No, I'm sorry, I have the worst.
Coffee, chai.
कुछ भी नहीं, excuse me. लेकिन Rona Dhona ये है कि it comes naturally to me. I cry naturally every single time.
No,
no, because उसके बाद मेरी आंखें नहीं खुलती. You know, कुछ लोग ग्लिसरीन लगाते हैं तो. Thank you.
There you go. You can have a sip of that.
Yeah, I know. I've had the worst flu for
So
the past
yeah,
week.
apparently no glycerine.
Glycerine, that's what they do put in the eyes for.
George, आप glycerine से रो सकते हैं या without glycerine?
When I don't. I cried during Kal Ho Na.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
कल होना हो देखते हुए इनको बड़ा आसानी से रोना आ जाता है.
Yeah,
मुझे भी बहुत आसानी से रोना आ जाता है.
तो genuine आ जाता है.
Genuine आ जाता है. Not कि I'm really like crying, लेकिन आंसू genuinely निकल आते हैं. And I guess I'm just an emotional person
So
like that.
could you cry on demand?
I could, but don't you
Go
dare
on,
make me
come
cry,
on.
subah, please.
Abhi.
Please, come on. I get paid
Come
for it, okay? That's what makes it a whole
एक
lot
scenario.
easier.
हम आपको juice दे
If
रहे
you
हैं ना.
drink more juice, you can't. Ek scenario.
Are you serious?
Serious.
Why are you guys doing this to me?
अगर हम एक role play करें, एक role play.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा ये सुबह क्या हो गया इन लोगों को?
You had a puppy, ठीक है?
Yeah.
The little puppy, and a kitten,
Yeah.
and it was hit by a car.
I don't know why, but you're just not convincing enough for me right now.
अच्छा जॉर्ज जो है आयशा के साथ शो कर रहा था
अच्छा.
मगर अब जॉर्ज आपको छोड़ के जा रहा है और जॉर्ज अब किरण के साथ शो करेगा.
Now that would make me cry. That's sad.
Can you do a role play कि you are leaving Aisha and you
Aisha,
are doing the show
Director
with me?
साहब, please come into the picture. I don't want to do this.
आज हमारा प्यार खत्म है
नहीं, ये
जी.
नहीं हो सकता.
क्योंकि मेरी बीवी is the only one for me.
Oh,
So I have
sweet.
to come
ऐसा
back
ही
to
होना चाहिए.
ऐसे ही होना
हाँ, so I'm all for it. अब तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं रोऊंगी.
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
चाहिए.
हाँ बीवी आपकी ही होनी चाहिए और किसी की नहीं. You got a caller on the line. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
हेलो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
जी थोड़ा ऊंचा बोले प्लीज.
हेलो
Yes.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Kiran and George and obviously Aisha.
जी
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
कैसी हैं आयशा?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, अल्लाह का शुक्र. नहीं, एक्चुअली ठीक नहीं हूँ, फ्लू है. लेकिन
अच्छा
आप
लग
कैसी
रहा
हैं?
है. और अस्सलाम वालेकुम जॉर्ज.
वालेकुम.
बहुत शौक था आपसे बात करने को. और किरण आप दोनों की जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी है.
थैंक यू. कोई सवाल आयशा के लिए?
आयशा से फर्स्ट आपसे कर लूँ.
जी
आप जॉर्ज से पूछना है कि उन्होंने आपसे किस उस पे शादी की है, उनको कौन सी चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगी है.
ओह नो. और आयशा से सवाल?
और आयशा की एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी है. इनके मैंने हर ड्रामे देखे हैं.
Thank you.
शी इज न्यू बट आई लाइक हर वेरी मच.
Thank you.
इज शी आर यू आयशा फ्रॉम पठान फैमिली?
Am I? Yes.
अभी हम ये जवाब दे देते हैं. थैंक्स मरियम.
Okay, thank
थैंक्स.
you so much.
हाँ.
Yes, I'm half Pathan. My mom's Pathan, but my father's a Punjabi Rajput, so I'm quite a mix.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Now I understand. You don't like comic roles because you're very fond of laughing.
I know. I end up laughing at the wrong time. मतलब, you know, अगला बंदा जो है वो उसने इतना अच्छा perform किया है और मैं वहाँ पे पागलों की तरह हंस रही हूँ बजाय ये कि मैं react करूँ. I just cannot control it. रोना भी हंसना भी I can't control it. So I try and stay away from things that, you know, I tend to खराब कर दूंगी ना. मतलब क्या मैं करूँ, मैं नहीं हंसी.
मगर अगर आपको चांस मिले तो आप कॉमिक पसंद करेंगी? Would you prefer it?
It'd be actually nice to do something out of the ordinary now because इतनी intense किस्म के roles कर करके you kind of feel like, oh my God, am I actually this person? क्या मैं इतनी sad human being बन चुकी हूँ क्या?
Emotionally draining होता है क्या?
Very emotionally draining, extremely emotionally draining. And I think, you know, when you do go on a set जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ हाँ ही करके वापस आ जाते हैं. Because whatever, I'm good at snapping in, at snapping out of a certain mood, but कुछ भी होता है, you kind of bring that baggage home and you are a little upset जब सारा दिन आपने 17 scenes रोने धोने वाले किए हैं. Then you're emotionally exhausted, you're exhausted physically as well because it requires a lot of, you know, especially when you're genuinely crying and you're not really using glycerine. So yeah, I'd like to do it, but I just don't think I'm good at it.
Okay. Well, if you decide to, he's available.
Yeah.
अगर आपको comic item कुछ
Excellent.
करना हो.
We'll
Comic
think about
item?
it.
Item number.
Item number तो बिल्कुल नहीं, free नहीं इतना.
I'd be like Shah Rukh Khan 6 packs के साथ.